Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So y'all know it's that time of the year. It's time to bring those ugly sweaters out. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 2 different DIY looks that I came up with. So if you would like to see how I achieved them, then stay tuned. So starting out, here are some of the things you're going to need. You're going to need some stuffed animals of your choice, some glue sticks, a glue gun, some ornaments and or lights, some bows, some garland, some fake snow, some scissors, and of course a sweater. So starting out, I'm just going to build what I thought looked like a Christmas tree. So I'm starting off with, of course, some larger garland at the bottom, and then I'm making it smaller as I go up to form a Christmas tree. So once I have my garland in a position that I am satisfied with, I just went ahead and glued it down with my hot glue gun. Now I'm going to build my fake snow. I'm just going to take the fake snow and position it how I want it, and then I'm going to do the same and glue it down. Okay, so now it is time to glue our teddy bears, our stuffed animals down. I have 2 snowmen, and I'm just going to glue them on each side of the Christmas tree. So once I glued my snowman on, my tree was very small, so I wanted to be bigger, so I went in and added some more garland to make the tree bigger. Okay, so now I'm going to take the lights and go in individually and stick them to the tree. Be very careful if you are using the lights that I use, because you're basically using a very small portion of the light to glue it onto the tree to stick. So you don't want to burn yourself with the glue gun, so just be very careful when you're doing it. Christmas tree is not complete until we have a topper, so I went ahead and added this bow on the top to complete the tree, and now I'm just going in and adding some more garland around the sleeves to give the sweater a more festive look. Okay, so here is the final look, and then I'm going to add in a clip here of how it looks on. Okay, so now it's time for sweater number 2. So in this sweater, I'm just going to take some garland and I'm going to zigzag the garland all the way to the top of the sweater. So now I'm just going to take my bow and try to figure out where I want it to lay, and then once I figure that out, I'm just going to take some of my glue and glue the bow down. Please excuse my shenanigans. When I'm making my tutorials, I'm like in my zone. So now I'm just taking my colorful, yes, very colorful lights, and I'm just going to glue those down all the way to the top of the sweater. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do to add a little bit of extra touch is add some more of these gold bows, and we are done. So here is the final result. You guys, let me know which one is your favorite. If you attempt to try this tutorial, then tag me in a photo or add me or send me a message with you wearing the sweater. I would love to see your recreations of this sweater. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in my next tutorial. Bye.